What's going on, you guys? We're here at AK Graphics. We're here to look at Steven's truck. He doesn't know that I'm here, so I just came to take a sneak peek, see what all has been done, what design he came up with. I don't know what design that they picked out, but they also did a couple of things that he doesn't know about. So we're gonna go ahead and check that out, get a little tween of the whole project he's got going on with these guys. And just through this door? All right. All right, well, we are in here. Let's check it out. This is a nice place. I like the lighting. They have this thing stripped down. Man, Steven, you did a pretty good job on this one. I will say that. This is really good. I like it. It's not fully complete, but that's why we're just here getting a middle ground for it. Okay. Now, this is what I'm talking about. You'll love it. You'll love it. I like it. You know what's crazy is that, look at it, I guess because it was so much in pieces, a part of me was kind of iffy on it, but actually seeing it now,
I love it.
Yeah, all together, it's...
We just got to replace this ugly piece of crap because the last wrap screwed it up. So, and then I got a new piece coming off that easily.
The Speed Advocates logo, barcode on there, spare kitty. AK Graphics on there, you can't forget Apex Garage, the mobile difference, and then of course, you know, Steven, it's never gonna get rid of that. Okay, got some new door handles here. Oh, they even put the wrap on the side mirror. That's nice. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get a montage of the whole truck, let everybody see exactly how it looks instead of just looking at it from behind me.
What corner?
Do not film this corner.
This one?
This is where.
Alright. Alright. Make sure it focuses. Hold on.
This, we're here.
Don't film that. Don't film it. Got it. Uh-huh.
I was telling our fans that they can scan the barcode.
Yep.
Had to get a cool start for y'all on this truck. See this thing in the actual sunlight. See how it actually shines. I had to take my glasses off for this one. Completely different in the sun. Steven got a big old smile on his face. She's a beaut. Completely different in the sun.
Just in time for a little bit of rain.
full hood, American flag. The only thing we're waiting on now is the grill, the wheel caps. Let me put my glasses back on.
And maybe possibly a new tonneau cover.
Okay.
The tonneau cover will cover up all the black plastic in the back, so especially if we wrap it red to match the top, it'll be seamless. And he said they'll transition into the black like it is. This will all be red and then fade to black.
Oh yeah, that would be good.
With a good coverage over it, so it'll be all the way around. And new back glass, finally. After a couple of years, we'll put new back glass in it. But I can't get rid of my sticker.
I already said that. Whenever I went around recording, I was like, it's never gonna get rid of that.
Nope.
With the fiberglass bed cover and the graphics to match that, oh man. Yeah, no, that's...
I want to thank my boy Kevin with AK Graphics. The guys killed it again. We'll post up. Y'all have seen the old wrap on the truck, 100% designed by them. This one, another one, I kind of gave them free range on it. I gave them a couple ideas and absolutely knocked it out of the park. So I can't thank y'all enough, dude.
It was fun. Let's do it again in a couple of years.
We'll wait a couple more years. We'll do it again.
Yeah, for sure.
And it'll be the same thing. I'm gonna give you guys free range creativity. So if you come up with something, I can't wait to see what you do to your dually, which we'll post a video of that once it's done. These guys can knock it out of the park. Especially if you guys got need commercial work. They do Joe's Plumbing, all kinds of landscaping companies. So you guys want wraps and you're in the Texas area, because you guys do Midland.
Yeah, we're nationwide.
So hit up AK Graphics if you guys want a wrap done or designed or anything like that. So dude, thank you.
To get my hands on an E36 BMW, because I have this wrap idea that I think would be insane. So hopefully y'all stay tuned. I'm still looking for one. So.
If you find one, let us know.
not an arm and a leg either. I don't have that.
Gotta do the speed, low mileage, like 100 miles or less.
Yeah.
Absolute mint condition for like $600.